How to use Apple Pay in store without a card. Step 1. Open your Apple Wallet app. If you don't have a physical card linked yet, you can now tap the plus icon in the top right corner and add your card. Step 2. Choose Apple Cash or a digital prepaid card. Apple Cash acts like a digital wallet, and you can fund it without a debit or credit card by receiving money from friends through iMessage or Apple Pay request. Step 3. To set it up, you can now go to your settings and then go to Wallet and Apple Pay, and then go to Apple Cash. And make sure that it's enabled. Verify your identity if required. Step 4. Add funds by asking a friend to send you money through Apple Pay or by transferring money from a linked bank account. Even without a physical card, Apple Cash will let you pay using your iPhone or Apple Watch at NFC terminals. Step 5. When you are ready to pay in store, simply double-click your side button or power button. Authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID and hold your phone near the contactless terminal. After that, step 6, the terminal will now confirm payment instantly. Just like using a debit card, expect that it's funded through your Apple Cash balance or transfers. Step 7, you can also use the same setup for online or in-app purchases where Apple Pay is accepted. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.